Hey everybody, Mbrp here. Welcome to my garage. Today, I've got a 2018 Audi S3 on the hoist. I want to show you a product offering from Mbrp. Before we do that though, let's check out the factory setup. We've got a big front resonator. We've got crimped tubing coming back to this huge, very heavy muffler. We've got basically the standard issue chrome oval tips that you see on most Audi S cars. And then in this case, we've got active exhaust. Audi has sent us valves that will allow, based on the drive mode of the car, will allow you to tune the exhaust to be quiet or slightly louder. Let's jump underneath here. We'll see what Mbrp has to offer. So this is a fully compliant, non-active exhaust system from Mbrp. So fully compliant means the front pipe is still in place. The factory cat is still in place. And being that this is all one system, we're gonna come all the way back here with Audi, and this is where Mbrp is gonna pick it up. You're gonna see Mbrp 3-inch mandrel bent tubing. You're gonna see we've utilized the Helmholtz technology. This is where when you talk to your buddies or you hear your buddies say, I've got drone in my car, or I've got sounds inside I don't like. This is where we're able to tune that out. Rest assured, your Mbrp Audi S3 doesn't have those sounds, no drone with this setup. We've got factory hangers, we've got band clamps, more mandrel bends. Then we come back here where we split into the duals. We've got a stamped Y, super strong piece, even stronger with the Mbrp gusset in the middle. We've got our Mbrp high flow oval mufflers exiting into quad tailpipes. And then what I think one of the best items here is the Mbrp 4-inch carbon fiber exhaust tips. So we have a 4-inch carbon fiber sleeve here. We've got a 3.5-inch stainless steel ID. And these tips are fully adjustable. If you want to push them way back in under the valance, go for it. If you want to pull them out for everyone to see, go for it. This system's all complete. Let's get it down the ground. We'll go take it for a rip. All right, we've got the S3 on the ground. Let's take it out on the highway, hear what this system sounds like. Okay, I put the car in dynamic mode. That automatically gives me the sport mode, and I'm just letting it shift through the gears. It's gonna find its way into the top gear, obviously. I can hear the exhaust note. As a matter of fact, it's mellow inside here, beyond mellow actually, but enough that I know it's not stock. If any one system has impressed me from Mbrp, I would say it's this system for two reasons. The goofing around outside in this car, then the exhaust note is super aggressive. Sounds so good, but it's aggressive. And then inside, I get inside here and mellow, super, super mellow. So big spread between the outside and the inside. But the other item that really impressed me is I do all my own installs here, and I installed this the other day. Literally the easiest dual exhaust I've ever installed from Mbrp. So you got a cool car, cool sound, ease of installation. Check it out. Let's do some downshifts and then we'll get our foot into it. Sounds so good. I like that. All right, we're gonna shut it down there. So there you have it. You know what? Audis make such cool cars. I'm a big Audi fan. We've got a big line coming for the whole exhaust line coming for Audi. But while we're in the S3, fit and finish, ease of installation, carbon fiber quad exhaust tips, performance, sound, everything you're gonna feel, all in one box. Look up part number 4601 at mbrp.com.